Hello Techies, welcome back to my YouTube channel Code.it, a solution to your problems. If you are new to this channel, then hit on this subscribe icon and join Code.it family. And for latest technology updates, subscribe to Techies Swap. So today in this video of our Android hack series, we'll learn how to create your own emoji in your Android phone just by using your keypad. Yes, just by using your keypad. So without wasting much time, let's get started. So now open your Android, then open keypad. Here click on sticker, then on plus sign, then create your own mini in Seoul's. Then at the last you have to click on create. Here it will open a camera. There you will click on your image and then accordingly it will create 3 emojis. So also you can customize them using customize. Here you can customize, then save it, and yes, you are good to go. So now get back to your keypad and here click on stickers, and here you find your stickers and then click on it and you are good to go. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.